What's up everyone? John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here. One of the great things about Android is that you can completely customize it. And not just tweaks you can download from the App Store, you can actually put on completely new operating systems called ROMs. And I've actually been exploring some new ROMs on a Galaxy S3 here for a little while. I am running AOKP ROM. It's based on Cyanogen 10, which means it's based on Jelly Bean. It's not officially released, but I'm learning how to use ROMs, learning how to root. I'm finding a ton of cool tweaks you can do with Android. I want to know if you guys are interested in seeing ROMs being featured on Techno Buffalo, tutorials on how to root, what you can do if you get a rooted device, if you want a rooted device, advantages, disadvantages, how to get back to unrooted, how you get over there, upgrades, and all kinds of good stuff. It's stuff that we're learning here at the office. I'm particularly trying to learn, and I really want to share with you guys. But I want to know if you're interested in knowing how to do it. You can customize absolutely everything, from SMS pop-ups to what your navigation bar looks like, to the color of the navigation bar, to the location of the navigation bar, to whether or not your screen rotates or not rotates. Just customization is endless. So if you're looking at your Android phone and you're saying, hey, I really hate TouchWiz, I wish I had stock Android, I really hate MotoBlur and I want to have stock Android, this is going to be a great thing for you to pay attention to, because you can get stock Android plus a ton of additions. Or if your device isn't going to get Jelly Bean but you want Jelly Bean, could be a great way to go. So let me know if you guys want to see ROMs being featured. I also want to thank our friends at Ancestry.com. They went through and got all the records for the 1940 census, and they created this really cool thing called the Time Machine app. Essentially, you go in, you put in some information and tell you what your life would have been like in the 1940s. It's actually very cool. You can determine whether or not you're blue collar or white collar. You can even find records from your family that was alive in the 1940s. It's been a lot of fun to go through and see you upload a picture of yourself and actually see yourself all 1940'd up, which is, you know, harkens back to a simpler time. It's very cool to check out. I've had a lot of fun playing with it. Link's gonna be down below to go to the Ancestry.com website and to check out the Time Machine app. Take a step back. We live in a very cool time with a ton of technology, obviously, but we don't have some of the simpler things in life that they had back in the 1940s. Television, internet, mobile phones, tablets, sort of cloud. What was enjoyable back then. So kind of fun to see what life would have been like. Definitely go ahead and check it out. I think it's worth it. Anyway guys, let me know what you think about rooted ROMs, if you want to see them, not see them, or you want to say yay, start covering other stuff. I'd love to know what you guys think. I'm John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo. See you next video.